Hello friends, welcome to channel Reza Blade. I am your friendly neighborhood Reza, and I am doing my unboxing of Beautometry's My Mani box for the month of September. Just got here. I am so excited, and this month is going to be a road trip theme. And don't forget, I'm going to start to open while I talk about the sale that's going on right now, because I want to kind of get to it, and the dogs are barking and my roommate's playing a video game and yelling. So I want to get this done as quickly as I can to sort of minimize all of the distractions that you may or may not hear. So information on subscribing to the My Mini box is going to be in the description below as usual. And this is so exciting. So right now, I'm making this video on the 29th, I think, of September. It's a Thursday night. And this is the very start of Beautometry's Customer Appreciation Week. This is the biggest sale of the year. This is a huge week for Beautometry. So, sign up for their promo emails on Beautometry.com so that you'll get all of the announcements every single day. There's going to be a different flash sale during lunch hour. All the times are going to be Eastern time because Beautometry is in Virginia. But so anyway, there's going to be a new flash sale every lunch hour, which I think is noon to 3-ish, maybe. And then every day there's going to be a different daily deal. And if you like MoYou London plates, and they're one of my favorite brands, they're going to be $6 the whole sale week. But do try to order them at the beginning, because as you might expect, they're going to go, I'm going to get rid of this box right now just real quick. I see something, a giant thing. I'm going to address, I'm going to open this while, this is really exciting. It looks like some sort of plate storage. This is super awesome, and it's a holographic kind of, this is awesome. Anyway, so there's going to be a Facebook Live with Therese on the Beautometry, or it might be in the International Nail Society with Beautometry Facebook group. We'll see. But that's going to be on Sunday the 2nd at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. There will be prizes. It'll be all sorts of fun. And definitely you're going to want to join there. There are 2 different stamping bundles during this sale. So anyway, go to Beautometry's site. Check out all the stuff that's going on. You'll really want to make sure that you get in on the fun. Oh goodness, this is so cool. Okay, so this is the size, regular size of MoYou London's plates. So, and I mean, I get why this is with the road trip box. That makes sense. Like, you know, this is kind of a really good way to travel with your plates. So it looks like there are 2 sections here. Let me try to kind of get this put away. Oh, look. Oh, there are even, oh, this is great. So if you have like little plastic baggies with maybe pre-made decals or something like that, you can kind of keep it here. This is a really great thing to travel with. Oh, here are more pockets on this side. Okay, awesome. I'm going to put this aside now. This is the, you know, so much fun about the My Mani boxes. You never know exactly what kind of amazing thing Therese is going to pack into the box next. All right, so do I open this one or this one first? There's always going to be a list with your box to explain what's happening in here. I should have looked at it before I before I did the unboxing, but you know what? We'll be surprised together. Okay, I really like this. This is fun. Compass roses are one of my very favorite images. There was a compass rose on the Pirates plate last month, too. I probably shouldn't have torn this. I do keep scissors at my workstation for a specific reason, but I do get really excited about things to unwrap any old time. I'm always going to get really excited. So, I kind of tear before I think. I have regretted it before. Ooh! Okay, Vanessa Molina. This is going to be fun. Let's see if I have any empty swatch sticks around here. Here is one thing, this is something I can swatch it on. Here we go. So let's see what we have here. It is called the Dream Trip. I'm about to sneeze. If I sneeze, I will edit it out of the final video. But if you see the image jump, that'll be why. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's beautiful. Okay, so this is called the Dream Trip. This is an exclusive for Beautometry. Let me see. Goodness gracious, this is so exciting. I'm just kind of anal retentive about these things. I'm just going to file this down real quick. I just want to get a clean swatch, that's all. And I can put my scissors back. Or can I? I do have this to open still. All right. Oh, I like this brush too. So, I will be releasing a video in the next couple of days that is a fall tutorial for a night sky with falling leaves look. I have it somewhere around here. Here we go. I've been showing everybody this for a while, but this is what I will be showing you how to do. And I keep intending to make the video, and then my allergies have just been so bad. We're getting into fall finally, and that does mean there are a few things that I'm extra allergic to, and I'm just sneezing and sniffling all day, but I should be able to make the video tomorrow or tonight, so you should see it. That is so beautiful. I will try to remember to do a second coat before we head out here. Oh my goodness, so you're always going to get more than, I mean, the box is in, you know, in funds worth. That was a very clumsy way of saying it, but look how much that hollow plate holder retails for. $45. That is so cool. All right, so let's see what we have here. I'm going to pull the scissors out again. I hope you're all doing well. Comment below and let me know how you're doing and what you think of these items, what you think of this month's box. I don't want to ruin this baggie, but I also want to open this quickly too. Do please like, comment, subscribe, do the things. They do help me out, especially the comments. They help YouTube show the video to more people if you comment and you press the like button. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Okay, this is so great. Okay, wow. There is no stopping this box. This is so amazing. So here's the Candy Skull brand. I do have a tutorial that I did kind of with this Candy Skull plate on my channel. Oh my goodness, this is great. So I'm going to try out all these plates for you here now. If I can open them. I'm not doing very well at this whole using my fingers correctly. All right, here we go. Remember always to make sure that you're not leaving the clear, because some brands will have clear film on the plates, and it's sneaky, very sneaky. It is easy to attempt to use it, but you'll be able to tell because you'll just have a giant smear of stamping polish instead of seeing it soak into the individual images. So this this plate number is S-001. Look at all of these fun kind of world travel images here. And then I think I can put away my scissors now. All right. Very excited about the Looney Tunes plate. These are going to have a little bit of extra difficulty. We have noticed that the license plates by MoYou London are a little bit harder to use sometimes, but I have all the Universal Monsters plates and things, and I'm still able to use them. You just have to kind of be careful with your image. I'll show you a couple of things when I do. Oh my goodness, this is so fun. We've got the Roadrunner and Wile E. Coyote, and let's see. Oh my goodness, this is a great plate. We've got some silhouette images here, so you could do a desert, kind of a landscape mani. That's one of my favorite things to do, are landscape manis. You put a gradient, or at least I put a gradient, as the background. Scholar. I actually really love this particular collection by MoYou. Let's see what this one is. Oh, very cool. Very cool. I love this. Now, if you watched my unboxing or my review for the August My Mani box, you will have seen that there was a treasure map sort of theme to that too as well, and I did a mani that was a treasure map theme. But look at this, we have more fun map. Oh my goodness, this is right up my alley. I'm very excited. Can't wait to see. I'll be doing an actual review and inspiration video on this box, of course, after I open everything and kind of play with it on the unboxing for you. Then I put together a review video, and I will show you all sorts of ideas that I had, and how I do these things. So I'm going to set down, I thought I had some paper towel so that I didn't mess up my, okay, so this kind of sky blue, hollow, shimmery, let me put down another coat so we can get a better idea of the final color of this polish. It is just so beautiful. Look at that iridescence and that, oh my goodness. I'm loving that. I mean, but you're never going to go wrong when it comes to Vanessa Molina polish, you know? All right, so let's get that paper towel down so I can start stamping. I already have these images ready for my tutorial, so I'm just going to set these aside here so I don't try to use those stamping plates. Stampers. Actually, I have somewhere around here. Well, I can't find it, so whatever. I'm going to just use the older ones I have. These are kind of my workhorse stampers. And I drop everything at least twice in the video. It's not a Reza video until I've dropped something. All right, so let us try this one first. I'm going to grab my little paper. I'm trying to get everything set up here. Where is my, here we go. And I've got black Hit the Bottle stamping polish here. I'm just going to look at the plates and get a good stamp going. So, okay, so I need to be quicker about that. I do have some acetone handy. All right, this is also exciting. Okay, let's try the image again. We're just going to swipe once now. Okay, so that one I'm going to try with a different stamper. And I'm also going to use a different scraper. Sometimes this will happen when you have a, sometimes that'll happen when you have a stamping plate. You'll need to scrape it a certain way. See? Much better. And you just need to kind of play around with these things until they stamp. Now, I meant to pick this up, but what I got was this plain image coming head on. And I don't know if you've seen North by Northwest, but this reminds me of the Alfred Hitchcock movie. So that is really exciting. And I'm kind of planning, sort of brainstorming in my head that that particular movie. I wonder if there's kind of a mani that I could do that is kind of inspired by North by Northwest. Well, we'll see. At least maybe a swatch. Let's get this sun and see if I can use this other stamping plate. I mean, other scraper again, stamper again. I do think I'm liking the pink one with this particular candy skull plate. So that might just be what I have to do. Let's get this. I hope you don't hear that yelling. That is actually my roommate. It is embarrassing. There is a first-person shooter that he's losing at right now. And if you can't hear him, that's awesome. It's part of why I use the current headset that I'm wearing. I hope that. That is done with that plate. Okay. Let me think about some more ideas as far as what I could do. I'm going to try the other stamping, the other stamper again, just to see if I can use my workhorses. Yes, I can. So, oh my goodness, this actually, I don't know, I don't think I even really needed to warn you about the stamping plates. They might have corrected the issue that they had with the ones last year that they did, because that was a great pickup. And I know that Hit the Bottle polish is just really superlative, and that could be part of it as well. But, all right. Really great pickup on these. I'm going to do some reverse stamping with these. One fun idea that I just had is you could do a mani that is just a really quick one with outlines and stuff, with the oops and the beep beep and all the various sound effects. That might be fun. And I did tell you I'm going to show you how to use that for a mani as well. And then let's get this taken care of, and then I can let you go for the evening and get back to what you're all doing. Or maybe you're going to watch the video that I just released next. And I say just released as far as, okay, look what I did. I did that wrong. So when you have a wide large real estate stamp, you're going to want to make sure that you don't accidentally dig in as you scrape it. So you're going to want to scrape just once if you can help it, but also helps if you use a stiffer scraper and you also go as close to the plate as you can. So not quite flat down, but as close to flat down as you can do it. And there we go. Wow, these are really great stamping plates. I'm really enjoying those, and I did show you how that polish is coming out. And I'm going to get started on that other video right about now. So thank you so much for joining me for the unboxing. I hope you liked everything. The plate number is 09 for the Looney Tunes one, and the Scholar plate number is 7. And I already told you the plate number of the Candy Skull plate. I'm very excited to get started on all of these ideas for you, and to keep a lookout for that. Make sure you're subscribed to my new video alerts to my channel and click the bell. And that way you will get notified when I release the review video. I will see everybody later, and don't forget about that awesome sale. It's on now. Okay, bye-bye.